So we're all loaded up and about ready to go, but we're going to go look at some Model A's and some antique Chevys and some different things. We'll say hi to Teresa on the way. Hey, sweetie.
Good morning.
How are you?
How was your trip?
Which one?
But at least you got it all.
We're just looking like we're pretty close to ready to roll.
Yeah, all
There-
good. Right on time because I got your food.
Okay.
Yeah,
I got something for you too.
Oh, you
Hey,
do?
William. How you doing, buddy?
Say hi.
I'm taking your car. I'm taking. Yeah.
He's trying to find his daddy.
Trying to find your daddy. Okay. Well, you're not leaving right away. You going? If I walk that way with them, you'll catch up with me, or you?
Oh no, I'm going over there.
Okay, I'm going this way then. See you over there.
You know, I'd have to go a little faster.
Put you a 5-speed and change the rear end to a 1-ton late model rear end. So
I'm looking for, what I would look for was a 289. I think a 289 would fit in there real nice and change that rear end. And I don't want to chop and cut anything apart that wouldn't be.
well, I hate to say this, but I think I got it home. They make a kit to bolt the Chevrolet motor right to the.
Oh, no.
I know. I said I hate to
my truck.
No. I know. That's why I said I hate to say this.
No.
I was just throwing it out there.
I got a 36 Flathead I was going to put in his car just for a joke. And when he showed up, yeah, Mr. Heavy Chevy, it would have been too much work to do. And he might not have been happy about that. How the hell you put a Flathead in my car? So, yeah. And then the little Chevy goes back there. Well, the Caddy engine, that thing was fire. I drove that car. It's kind of a 25, but it's actually made in 1923. So Ford did that back then. It could be a 1915, if they sold it in 1925, it was a 1925. You know, that's what they did. So, yeah, it's a 24. That car, I was 19 when I bought that.
19?
Yeah, I was 19, I bought that. And that came.
What is that?
Huh?
Does it run that?
Oh, it does. Yeah, it does. I haven't had it out in a few years now, but the last time I took it out, I had all my kids in that thing. And, but yeah, that car, I got it, it came in 3 pickup trucks and a trailer, 2 pickup trucks and a trailer. It was nothing but parts. And I started putting that together one winter. It was a lot of fun to put it together, and I learned a lot about Ford and the way he thought. And, you know, I cursed at Henry a few times because, especially with where the transmission case mounts to, where the lid mounts to that transmission, it says use candle wicking for a seal. Well, he took a candle wicking, and he says it's just a piece of string. Well, that's not what they meant. What he meant lantern wicking. And you put that in because there's a felt seal over the top of it. It will be neat.
I'm gonna go find Teresa. She's looking way out there for us.
Is she out here?
Yes, she's walked right by us here.
Oi! This way!
Maybe.
Where are you going? You got a phone? Can't hear me. She can't hear me.
Oh, there's William.
I can't hear either.
You know, there's a tractor, he's in it.
Come on, little boy.
Oh, there's Daddy. Oh, there's Daddy. No, I went through the mud puddle.
Hey, Mommy's got you dressed for winter, doesn't she? Holy cow, what's going to happen when the snow flies?
And it's this winter or what?
Yeah,
Cold.
it's cold. It's cold.
I'm from Florida, I agree with you.
Teresa.
Dave, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I got food.
Oh,
Food.
My
Well,
goodness.
still hot.
Well, didn't you say he bought enough food to feed a circus?
Well, for breakfast this morning, he ordered 3 meals.
No, I didn't. I got the Hungry Man's meal that came with everything.
Yeah, that's
You got a hungry man.
I'm going to shut this good in the baby.
You're not a hungry man.
You got a hungry man? Ooh.
No, that's the whole man.
You guys all the same
same, it's all the same sandwiches, so pick whatever. I got mine. Eat. What's so hot?
Grab a sandwich.
Yeah, grab your sandwich.
Chicken.
I got a sandwich.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, she makes something different every time.
She does.
It's the same. It's a chicken.
I got you a bag of Snickers in the car.
Take
Mmm.
that one. That feels like it's
Because
got less.
I know that you always give food,
That's what,
and I was thinking, what can I give? Oh, I'll give her a bag of Snickers.
should have some kind of implement to dig a hole with around here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's pretty better than breakfast.
You ready to officially end this Onelonelyfarmer Rusty Acres
No,
rpeek YouTube video? And
I
no,
know he's gotta go back to work, so.
Yeah, I gotta load that bad boy up. And
he's
get the heck out
got
of here.
more corn to
It
haul.
was nice to meet you, my friend.
No,
I'm serious about the Disney World thing. Whenever you get ready, just,
yeah, he works for Disney. You got 3 years?
yeah.
In 3 years you retire, so we gotta do it sometime when you're after the next one.
Yeah, I remember you said to get this loose all the levers and everything and put them all back right where they were when we started.
He does.
You mind if I film you driving? You mind if I make a little video of you driving? Okay. Go for it.
Best wife, you know?
Yeah.
Have anything like that.
Speed shifting, baby. You make the noises?
Oh, yeah.
So can you make the motor noises for me? Okay, I'm ready.
You're good.
I love the way you do that.
Well, if I get my first back here, he can go over right in and go through.
As far as getting
Good
the
job.
retired.
Thank you, William. It's good seeing you again. Goodbye.